how can you pin an app in the app library, or how does that generally work? Let me talk about it and let me explain what you're going to do about it. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, if you go through your home screen pages all the way to the right, you'll access the app library. And the thing about it is that this is the place where all of your installed apps are located. They are in these like folders or in the grid. And the point is that you cannot really reorganize this. This is based on the category of the app, which is selected by the developers of the app. So when there is like a map app, the developers of that app are gonna categorize it as a travel app, and that's why it appears on your iPhone in the travel group within the app library. So when it comes to like pinning the apps, well, you don't really have much space to reorganize the all like app library thing. The only way, or the only thing you can control, is the recently added, because the apps which you have downloaded recently are going to appear in the top left folder. But as well, that's not very practical because, if you add or download more apps, then those will eventually be pushed out to their regular place, right? So this is not editable. The only other thing you can do is to hold down on your apps as such and click on require Face ID and then hide and require Face ID. That way you at least have one way of organizing this, because you can put the app into the hidden folder. It's going to appear in there only when you scan your face and like get inside when you authenticate yourself. Otherwise, you can remove it from the original folder and place it there. But other than that, we don't have any more ways how you can pin apps or reorganize the things. So I would really appreciate your feedback below. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for more videos just in case anything changes. I'll most definitely update you about it. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.